Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to add wainscoting. So as example you can draw a wall, and to create wainscoting I will use the cabinet tools. Click this icon cabinet tools and I will insert in this point. You also can create for the perspective view. Okay, I will move to drag from this plan view. Now we can double click on the cabin to edit the objects. Okay, in here we can set for dips like 20 millimeter, and the next for countertop you can choose, and we can set the options in here. Okay, for the thickness we'll set 20 is okay. Overhangs for left 0 and for right 0. You can uncheck for 2 kick. Go to box constructions, and in these options you can edit for traditional overlay or the other. So we use the default options. The next for front and setback. For these options, drawers you can change into blank area, and also for the door set into blank area. Okay, set blank area. The next for the aspirations, you can set blank again, and this is for the top and the bottom point. If you done, click OK to apply. After it, you can change for the materials in these cabins. Go to materials and double click on cabinet. Like example, we use the carpet. Click OK and OK again to set into the objects. Now you can scale or recess these cabins by clicking at this point. Move to direct to recess the cabin. So that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial. How to add wainscotings with the cabinet tools. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.